What's up, fellas? Welcome to Amasel TV. Today we are not indoors, we are outside. You are one thing. What do I say? We are here to, let's say, freshen up. It's not always that we have to be inside. So today, this is what we do. We are here to talk about um, the Ministry of Health applicants or our fellow viewers who are yet to apply into the various fields of good. As you can see, we are not leaving them out. Everything we do, everything we undertake, we make sure we include everyone. So let's go for a short commercial break. When we come back, we will dive in straight into the reason why we are here. We will take it step by step from the time you purchase the form till you are being called for interview or you are being given admission. Stay tuned and watch out. Welcome back, viewers. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Give a thumbs up for this video so that I can get the energy, the zeal to bring you more updates and more content. And kindly drop your comment in the comment section. We will attend to you. And I would like to remind you, the sponsors for today's program, as usual, is Brainy Remedial Academy. You know, these people, they are very good. If you are here to write WASI, I recommend them to you. They will teach you, they will groom you, they will make sure you are well to do for exam so that you don't go and fail. Just like we all did and we all passed. Brainy Academy is here to sort you out. And you can see, as you can see my drip, my shirt right you see on me is from what Excel More. They brought this shirt to me just a couple of days ago, and trust me, you can try them. Their drips are just on point. They got you sorted. They have delivery services too. Everywhere you are, just hit them up. They'll pick your goods and take it to the rightful destination. All right, so let's go straight to the points. Ministry of Health just opened the portals for new applicants to apply. So I don't know. Have you heard of it? If not, then I'm letting you know that the nursing training forms are out. They are out there. You need to apply online. Remind you, there is nothing like envelopes or going to the school to submit your application forms or etc. All you need to get your voucher and what apply online. So today we are here. We are coming to break it down step two. All right, then let's start. Let's start. Time is running out. Let's start. Okay. So if you have the zeal, let me tell you this secret. If you have the zeal, to be in any field of the health, like we have the nursing, we have the mental health, we have the midwifery, we have the environmental health, we have the public health, and etc. There are a lot of those. In my next content, you see me breaking down each schools and the program and the courses they have. But today, let's go ahead to how to purchase the form, how to apply. I hope you are ready. So if you are watching, just grab a pen and a paper and let's just dive straight into it. All right then, let's continue. Assuming you want to purchase your form, where will you get it? Someone may be asking, where do I buy these forms? Where do I go? What should I do? The question is, or the answer to these questions are, visit any nearby Ghana commercial bank. Carry an amount of 200 cedis at hand. When you go there, tell them you want to buy a nursing training form or mention the school you prefer to purchase their form, and they'll give you the HTI form, that's the Health Training Institution online voucher. So now when they give you this voucher, we have on it the serial number and the PIN. The serial number and the PIN. This serial number and the PIN is your unique login into the HTI portal for you to be able to do the application yourself. The HTI portal. This serial number and PIN on the forms you purchase is your unique code to access the portal. Now let's take it step by step. Before you go out to fill your forms, make sure one, you know your name. I know everyone know his or her name by now, but I still have to repeat it. You have to know your name, how it is being arranged, your surname, your middle name, and your first name. All right. So after knowing your name, you have to know the school in which you want to purchase, or the school your choice of school. We have schools like, we have some schools in the Volta region, in almost all the regions in Ghana. So know where you want to go. Don't be like, you don't know, you are just applying for any school. No. know a school, because one particular form goes with one particular school. One particular form goes with one particular school. Mind you, those out there on other WhatsApp pages, Telegram pages, make sure you are not scammed. Please make sure you are not scammed. If you have any difficulty in how to get your forms, kindly hit Amasel TV app. In the description box, our numbers are there. We are very ready to help you. We don't want you to be scammed. Are you okay? Now, let's go. After knowing the school you want to apply for, you have to make sure you have a passport picture, a 4-size passport picture, which you took recently, not a passport picture you took about, let's say, a couple of months ago, couple of years ago. No, just a recently taken, or a passport picture you recently took. All right, you have to know your date of birth, your place of birth, and most importantly, your gender. Yeah, your gender, because you see people not even being invited for interview because instead of their passport picture, they have a female picture there, but their gender is male. Yeah, mistakes happen. So know your place of birth, your date of birth, and your gender. Now know your region in which you are, your district. Know your region and your district. Then aside that, know your nationality, the language you speak, and also your address, your contact information. In your contact information, you may need your address, your city, your phone number, your digital address, but it's not compulsory. It's not compulsory, but you can provide it, provided you have it. Just add it to it. Yeah. We also need your email address. Sometimes reaching out to you with the SMS becomes difficult. Yeah, but your email is also there. Your email is also there. So we need your email, your phone number. Please use a valid phone number and make sure you don't make a mistake in the phone number. Because when you make mistake in the phone number, every messages or alert you get, the number you place there, that's the number that will receive the messages. So you make sure you provide a valid phone number you are using currently or at the moment. I hope you are getting it. All right. So now, there are other informations that will be required from you. That is one, the name of your parents, your guardian or next of kin. The name of your parents, your mom, dad, any of them, or your guardian or your next of kin, and their telephone number. And your telephone number is also required. Now, after that, if you are a person that wrote, let's say, WASI alone, you have to pick out your WASI, your index number, your examination date, and the subject. So if you wrote WASI and NOVDEC, you have to know the index number for this separately. You have to know your examination date separately. Okay. So after you've gathered all these details, you walk straight to an internet cafe or a printing press that does that. I don't know if you get me. You know, there are some printing press that does only printing. There are cafes that does only browsing and the rest. But there are some that are into the filling of these forms or helping candidates to apply online and etc. And if you have any doubts with that, or if you have any problem with that too, Amasel TV is right here. That's why we are here for you. You know, you see it. That's why we are here for you. So make sure you keep our contacts. If you come across any obstacle, just hit us up. Do you get it? Just hit us up. We will assist you in filling the forms, making sure everything is right, and we will follow it till you are being invited for interview. Every obstacle that will come across, you assist you to get rid of everything. Our numbers are in the description box. Make sure you pick it and you reach to us. Mind you, this content is sponsored by Brainy World Remedial Academy. Their numbers will be in the description box. Reach out to them. Let them know your problem and they'll solve it for you. Excel Mall will sort you out with your shirts, your Lacoste, your sneakers, your jeans, trousers, Charlie, everything. They also have delivery services. If you're in Ho or around Ho, you want, let's say, someone to pick something and send it to some place for you, Charlie, Excel Mall will just sort it out. Do you get it? Excel Mall will just sort it out. So you just reach out to them. And now, mind you, after you have filled the forms and you submitted it, you will receive an SMS to inform you that yes, indeed, HTI has accepted or has received your online application form. If that message is not yet in, you are in a big trouble. So make sure you get the confirmation message before you leave the cafe. You know, some of this cafe will tell you, go, you receive it, go, you receive it. Just make sure you are not scammed, because I remember once a time I filled the phone, you said go, you come out now, and they, I never get the confirmation. You understand? So make sure you are at the safer side. Play at the safer side. That's why we are here. Come to us, we assist you and do it. Now, in our next content, we will tell you, after you've been invited for interview, we will coach you, we give you guidelines, the do's and don'ts of what an interview. The do's and don'ts of an interview. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend that Amasel TV is here to assist you reach the dream, or let's say where you want to be, your profession. If it's being a nursing or any other thing, Amasel TV is here to assist you. Till we meet again, stay tuned. Subscribe. Sorry, give us the subscription. We really like it. We really like it. And make sure you give us a thumbs up. Your comments, Charlie. Tell a friend. Just share. Just tell a friend to watch. Yeah. Tell a friend to watch. Don't take this all to yourself. No. Tell a friend to watch. You do it right. I love you for that. I love you for that. All right. So see you later. Bye.